You saying hi?
Hi, yeah.
We were over here making Grandma her birthday dinner, and I was like, boys, like, this would be a great episode because we are so proud of Grandma. She's back to her nutrition plan. She is working to get healthier this year, and she was like, I would love if we just make dinner in. And I was like, you know what? Why not? Because we can still make a delicious steakhouse dinner, and it'll have lots of flavor. It'll be healthier. She'll be easier to manage the amount that she's eating. But I was like, I'm gonna show you how you can make a delicious meal at home, right? For your own steakhouse birthday dinner, and you won't lose on flavor. You can still have some drinks, have some dessert, and I'm gonna show you, I don't want my onions to burn. I'm gonna show you what we've been working on, and then how easy you can get the kids in and help you. I had already filmed a lot of this on my phone for my stories, so excuse me if the video quality is not the best, but you'll be able to see how the boys were participating. They went grocery shopping with me, so they were already invested in the experience. We have our music going on. Right now we're listening to some Wyclef Jean. Is that how you say it? Oh, One a Night. And we're just having fun dancing, and it also gets them involved in a way where they're eating things. So they made the salad all on their own, and they've been eating the green beans out of it, the cucumbers, the strawberries, and we're just having fun. So join me right now for a quick impromptu. We literally just got everything about an hour ago. Dinner, birthday for Grandma, and how we're making it tasty but healthy too. Oh, hey, come here. Are you ready? Say happy birthday, Grandma.
I have to get a look at it. I got wet.
Oh, you did get wet. Okay, let's show them what we're making. Stay tuned. Let's show you what's going on. Okay, so I am actually sauteing these mostly with water to kind of save on some calories, but I am gonna finish it just with the tiniest bit of butter to give it more of a silky texture. So in here, it was just one big onion sliced really thin. We put in, I had a little beef stock, I put a little beef stock in, I put a little water, and once they started to actually get brown, hey, not that one, and caramelize, we added kosher salt. We're gonna put a little pepper, a little bit of Kerrygold grass-fed butter, and then the onions will be ready for our steak dinner. Hey, can you say yum?
Mom.
Yum. Okay, adding the butter now. Okay, we just added the butter. Good, now put that down. Here, we'll show them. We keep our butter out like the Kerrygold, so we just added some butter, but I'm not gonna lie. I just put the beef stock in there because I had one open, but that gives it such like a rich beef taste, and it's gonna go really nice with the steak. This is good. I mean, it's just salt. Like literally, hey, that's enough. No more butter. We're being careful for Grandma. Like a tablespoon of butter at the very end, and the beef stock, and we are good to go. Okay, Lars and Lake, you made the salad, so hold it up a little higher so we can, good. Can you tell us what's in it?
We got strawberries and tomato salad and tomatoes and green beans.
Okay, so I don't know if you.
Cucumbers.
Good. Okay.
And this.
And lettuce. Okay, so here's what they were showing you. I call it the garbage salad. A lot of the stuff that we have left over in the fridge, I just make a big salad out of it. And then we have steamed green beans that were left over, strawberries, cucumbers, romaine. We're having so much fun. Romaine lettuce and cherry tomatoes. We've been iced in for 4 days, and this is what I'm working with. But hey, no surprise here. This is just mom life with all the screaming. So salad is done. Let me show you what else we've been working on. Okay, so our timer's going off for is it good? He's eating blue cheese. Our timer's going off for the pork tenderloin. That is probably Grandma's favorite. I shared this recipe, I think on my meal prep one recently, but I did one tenderloin in the Grill Mates barbecue. That's gonna hit for you. Hold on a second. I'm gonna try it again. There we go. And then I did one in the Smokehouse Maple, which I absolutely love. So I'm gonna pull those out, check on those. I'm looking for about 145 in the middle so it stays nice and pink. And then Paul is gonna grill up with just salt and pepper, New York strips, and top sirloin. If you are someone right now who is trying to maybe lose body fat or you're trying to get leaner, top sirloin is a great option for a lean steak, meaning it's a lot of protein, less fat, less calories, and if you grill it right, you'll keep that nice like pink center. So I'll show you how he's gonna do that and what it will look like when it's done. But for now, oh, you want it? Here, I got an idea. Okay, let's show him your butternut squash, okay? So that is butternut squash that has been pre-chopped from the grocery store to save on time. And so the little chefs put it out on the parchment lined paper, and then we're gonna roast it up with just a little bit of olive oil spray, salt and pepper. And then while it's actually roasting, hold on, I'm gonna show them one more thing. All right, show them what that is, okay? That is fresh sage. So we're gonna toast up and roast up just a little bit of fresh sage with pine nuts, okay? So let me show you those. All right, and that will be like the little bit of fat from the pine nuts is gonna give it a nice little crunch with the butternut squash, a little bit of fat from the olive oil, and then a nice punch of flavor with the organic sage. It's gonna be a nice little starchy carb. So we're gonna have steak and pork tenderloin, butternut squash roasted with pine nuts and sage, a salad, and then we already, oh, Lars, come here. You gotta show them what else you did. Come here. Okay, the boys had so much fun with this. Asparagus, yeah. They actually, oh, hold on. It's crazy around here. So, this is a really fun job for kids. They popped off every end of the asparagus. So it might have took me a little bit longer than usual, but they were involved and they're having fun. They even tried it raw. And then we opened up the baggie and they used a coconut oil spray. They sprayed it right in. They sprinkled salt, pepper, and onion powder. Now these are ready to go on the grill for Paul with the steak. So, to recap, we're having New York strip, top sirloin, baked pork tenderloin with the 2 spices I showed, the butternut squash, sage, pine nut, roasted carbohydrate, asparagus, the salad, and then Grandma wanted rainbow sherbet for dessert, so it's gonna be tasty. To top the steak, we're gonna have the buttered, sauteed browned onions and blue cheese. Okay, here we go. So we have the garbage salad, sauteed onions, just finished with a little butter at the end, and the beef stock, the pork tenderloin. I'll roast the butternut squash there. Remember, I'm gonna use the pine nuts and sage. Asparagus is ready to go on the grill. And forgot to show you. Steak has been sitting out so we can get it to room temp. So we'll just bring it over there and we'll season it there. So we've got the strip steak, the New York strip, and top sirloin. We're ready. Okay, so Paul's helping me clean up over there with some of the dishes, and we're gonna load up everything and bring it over to Grandma's, and then I'll make sure I catch some videos of Paul grilling up those delicious steaks and then see how long he grills them per side so you know how to keep it that nice pink center. So if you have goals, you can have your own celebratory dinner at home without losing out on flavor and fun. So that's what I got for you today. If you liked today's episode, give me a thumbs up. Let me know below, how do you do celebratory meals? Do you like to go out? Do you like to make them at home? What are your goals right now? All right, that's all I got. Chat soon. How many minutes per side did you do it, Paul?
These strips, because they're a little bit thicker, ended up being like 8 minutes per side.
What temperature, high heat?
High heat, yeah. It was a brand new grill, so I wasn't really sure what the heat reading was.
Looks good. Let me see a piece with your tongs.
This is probably a nice little piece.
That was great.
Nice.
No.
Okay, so what do we have?
This one's New York.
Okay.
This one's top sirloin. The pork. And then I made just some onions there. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Grandma.
Happy
birthday to you.
Yay!
Let's say happy birthday!